Potato cakes are flat, round patties made from mashed potatoes that are often combined with other ingredients like flour, eggs, and seasonings. Then they are fried or you can bake them. This is a very simple yet tasty and satisfying recipe that we would love to show you how to make. So we're going to put a little bit of a spin to our potato cakes. And we want ours to remind us of a nice loaded baked potato. Let's get started. So here's our leftover mashed potatoes. But first, we're going to go ahead and dice up a bunch of green onions. Now you can use some white onions. I mean, you can switch up the ingredients. This is just the way we like to make ours. Now white onion does go good, but I like the green onions. Granted, I do usually use green onions for my loaded baked potatoes. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and set the green onions aside. You know, it's kind of like maybe, I don't know, a loaded baked potato that's fried. Doesn't that sound good? At least that's what comes to my mind. So next we're gonna come over here and we're gonna fry up our bacon. And you want the bacon to be nice and crispy. Okay, we got our bacon all fried up nice and crispy. Now we are going to add our ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead first and add our egg. And this helps bind the ingredients along with the flour that we're gonna use. First, let me go ahead and mix this in here. Okay, and now we're gonna add some flour. And you may or may not have to have flour in your recipe. It depends on how thick your potatoes are. On whether you need flour or not. You just don't wanna make sure you don't wanna add too much though. But if yours is on a little more of the looser side, you are going to have to add some flour to it. And also don't forget to check out our mashed potato recipe. And the flour helps combine this as well. Kind of help gel it together. I'm just going to slowly add it in so that way we can tell if we have the right consistency. Okay, so next we're going to crumble up some bacon. See how crispy that sounds? Lovely. And we're just gonna toss that on in there. Toss some green onion in here. And we're gonna shred us some cheddar, mild cheddar cheese. You can use sharp, medium, they all go good with it. Just a matter of your preference. And we're just gonna give this all a good mix in. And now for our key secret ingredient, we're gonna use some Old Bay seasoning. Now obviously I'm not gonna add pepper and salt and all that because, well, if you follow our mashed potatoes recipe, we already have that in the potatoes, so there's no need to add any more of that. And then bacon's already salty, so we're gonna add Old Bay seasoning. All right, and after these are mixed, we're gonna place this in the fridge to help firm it up. Now after this is chilled for 20 minutes, we're gonna take a couple of tablespoons. And I'm just gonna put them as a ball because we're gonna just flatten them in the pan as we cook. Okay, so once the grease is nice and hot, we're gonna take it and just gonna set the ball in the pan. And we're just gonna press down with the spoon and form our patty. We're just gonna take a spatula and flip it, just like that. And that cooked for 3 minutes, the first side, and we're gonna cook it the same amount for the second side. We're gonna put this on a cooling rack, so that way the grease can drip off of it. Make sure you have something at the bottom to kind of catch the grease. And we're gonna just do that for the remaining of the potato balls. And just repeat this process basically until they're all fried. And this is such a great way to just utilize your leftover potatoes. It really is. Okay, and here it is. Don't these look great? They're nice and crisp. You can hear the crisp to it. And this is, like I said, a great way to use your leftover mashed potatoes. And it tastes really good. And we're just gonna top it with some sour cream and garnish it with some green onion. And voila, potato cakes. You want to fry these for 2.5 to 3 minutes per side. It's a simple yet delicious recipe. We hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Also comment down below, are you going to try this recipe? And don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.